Hello friends, today I will tell you how to earn money in USA. 12 best website to make money online. First website is Upwork, second Fiverr.com, ETSY.com, TaskRabbit.com, Wonder.com, ThreadUp.com, Swap.com, Gazelle.com, Cardsell.com, OfferUp.com, Neighbor.com, merged by Amazon. Upwork, how it works. Upwork is essentially a meeting site where business and freelancers throughout the world can connect and collaborate on certain projects. Businesses hire freelancers for a variety of different services, including writing, web designing, running SEO campaigns, and pretty much any work that can be done on a computer. Highlights: Upwork takes a commission from 5 to 20%, but the more money you make, the less the commission is. Drawbacks: Upwork has been so successful that there is a lot of competition on the website, and that can be a real drawback for people who are new to the site. Say, Sacha Darosa, owner of the digital agency in Toronto called the Shirtless Web Guy. Before I started my business in the web design, I created profile on websites such as Upwork. In the beginning, it was a struggle to attract any attention from buyers on those platforms because there is so much competition, and much of the competition was from overseas, which made it impossible for me to compete with other home prices. So Derosa lowered his prices, and for a while he was working for next to nothing. But the positive feedback made his profile look better, and Derosa started charging more. Although platforms like Upwork can be helpful in building a portfolio and initial client base, I am glad to be off them and on my own, Derosa says. Fiverr, how it works. This is also a popular website that can be helpful for freelancers known something about digital animation. You can work for someone who doesn't have these skills and pick up some extra cash. Even better, you can offer to compile web research for someone for fast cash. Highlight: you can make good money from the site's assets. Dan, a web designing and digital strategy in Albany, New York, who runs a two-person company called Buchan Design. He says that his firm makes $3,000 to $5,000 a month from Fiverr. To stay ahead of the competition, I make sure my Fiverr profile and gig description are well written and communicable the value of the services I'm offering. When someone reaches out to me, I make sure to reply as quickly as I can and follow up with to inquire by asking good questions. A quick but careful writing reply will increase the odds of them hiring you. Drawbacks: Fiverr name comes from the fact that many people used to work for $5 a task. You can ask for more, but a lot of your prospective clients are probably exciting you to work for next to nothing.